The fourth industrial revolution has just begun. Together with Supfina, you have the opportunity to be part of it. With topics ranging from IoT to smart factory, are you ready to join the revolution? Leading your production into a digital future with our new SQS, Supfina Quick Support. While the new machine monitoring helps to track your production in real time and increase your overall equipment effectiveness by making use of this data, the Supfina app provides a central place for fast access to all machine-related data with the latest documentation and instructions, online and offline, always in the palm of your hand. New data glasses and augmented reality transform the way you interact with your Supfina machine. They reduce downtime by speeding up life support all around the world and enable groundbreaking changes in training and coaching, thus making your employees more productive. Find out how to push your production into a smarter digital future by visiting supfina.com.